Alright, we are in Fontana off Sierra Avenue, and right across the street there is an Arco station that has a like a radius, but unfortunately it was not working. So I came over here to this mobile station, and this one also has a touchless car wash. Now this one has a bit of history behind it. It used to be a Mark 7 Aquajet 700, and then it had a Wash World Razor, and now it has this Petit Accutrac system. And this one actually is probably one of the funniest car washes I think I've ever found, simply for one reason, and that is, this is a damn car wash. You can look at our wash options, it gets better. You see, we got the best damn car wash for 12, the next to best for 10, a damn good wash for 8, and an express at the bottom, and the express has no damn dryer. I just wish the damn radius was working. And this one only accepts code, and of course I went in and got a code, it's a receipt, for the $12 damn good wash. So let's enter our damn code, which is 625430. Got one of these Petit answer signs. I can't wait to see this. This is only my second Petit Accutrac I've ever located. The other one is in Yucaipa. And it looks like we have premier dryers with this. Interesting how the interest sign is way over there. A little more? There we go. You can see the bay. I'm not sure if that's just bad paint or if this is just grime and calcium, but it has clearly seen better days. Starting out with pre-soak. On Street View, I thought this was a Bellinger system, but because the Street View was so limited, and then now I was actually kind of surprised to find an Accutrac. These aren't very common. It's still spraying pre-soak in the back, but the sign lit up says that it's soaking. And I'm not sure if you saw it on the way in, but all the chemicals are inside the bay. Looks like we're doing another round of the pre-soak. So we're doing the high pressure rinse now, which does a good job of making the car feel like I'm in a bounce house. Well, this thing really does move, not just from side to side, but forwards and backwards. Now we're doing the polish. I'm assuming that's dispensing from the top or the... Oh yeah, see, it's dispensing from the top corners there. You can't really see it all that well. We're going to do another round of the high pressure. So The status sign isn't lit up, so I'm assuming this is just a rinse. It said there's a protectant light on here, so I'm guessing that's what this is, or this might just be a spot for your rinse. Oh no, this is the protectant. There's something in that. Okay, now the spot for your rinse light just came on, so I'm guessing the protectant light is burnt out. This is some damn good coverage. Insert rim shot here. Looks like you get about 65 seconds of dryer time. About 38 seconds left. I will say that this bay is really tight, so I have no idea how it managed to fit a fat Aquajet in here. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, I gotta say, that was a damn hilarious wash, and I think it was damn impressive. So I hope you enjoyed this damn video of the damn car wash. Okay, I'll stop now. Thank you so much for watching, and that is it.